Imagine waking up in 2026 and getting paid from 5 different sources without working 5 different jobs. Sounds crazy, right? But today, I'll show you exactly how beginners are building multiple income streams step by step. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, this channel is all about building wealth, creating income, and designing a life of freedom. Today, we're breaking down how you can start building multiple income streams in 2026 even if you're starting from zero. Before we dive in, make sure you subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. And tell me in the comments what multiple income streams do you currently have. In 2026, relying on one income is risky. Jobs are changing, AI is growing, and the smartest people are diversifying their income. Here's the goal: start with one income, grow to 3, then scale to 5 or more, because wealth isn't built from one stream, it's built from systems. Step 1. Start with your primary income. This could be your job, a small business, or freelancing. Your first goal is simple: make consistent money. Examples include freelancing like writing or design, selling products online, or learning a digital skill. Ask yourself, what skill can I monetize today? Step 2. Create a side hustle. Now we add a second stream. Good beginner-friendly options in 2026 include print-on-demand, affiliate marketing, and content creation. Think about it, which of these can you realistically start this week? Step 3. Turn income into assets. This is where most people get it wrong. They earn money but don't grow it. Start building assets like investments, digital products like books or courses, or automated online businesses. Assets are what make money work for you. Step 4. Automate one stream. Once one income stream is stable, automate it using tools, scheduling, or systems so it runs without your constant effort. The goal is simple: make money even when you're sleeping. Step 5. Scale and repeat. Earn, build, automate, and scale. That's how people grow from one income stream to multiple streams. Avoid common mistakes like trying too many things at once, giving up too early, not reinvesting your money, or chasing trends without understanding them. Focus is your biggest advantage. Here's a simple 30-day plan. Week 1. Learn a skill. Week 2. Start earning. Week 3. Launch a side hustle. Week 4. Reinvest your first profit. If you follow this, you'll already be ahead of most people. If you found value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Comment multiple streams if you're serious about building wealth in 2026. I'll see you in the next video.